Welcome back to Low Stress Math with Mrs. Bono. I really hope you tried these two problems on your own. If not, pause now and try them. So, y equals 3. What does that mean? It's just y. Just y, 0 slope. So I start with the y-intercept 3 and 0 slope is a flat line going straight across. So a flat line going straight across, 0 slope. And that's y equals 3. Now, the second one, x equals -4. Oh, well, I gotta look at my note here. Just x means no y-intercept, undefined slope. So I'm gonna go to x is -4. Here's x, all the way over to -4. I put my first point, and there's no y. I cannot intercept y, so I can only make an undefined slope straight up and down, and that one is x equals -4. The point where they cross, x is -4, y is 3, -4, comma 3. That point right there. So my solution, -4, 3. Okay, these are out of order again, and I want them in y equals mx plus b order. This is almost there, the top one, so I just got to take the y and put it on the other side to get y equals -3 over 2x plus 2. My m is -3 over 2. My b is 2. I'm going to start at 2, and it's negative, so I know I'm going left. I'm going to rise 3, 1, 2, 3, left 2. But I don't have enough points. Or I could go down 3, right 2, because it's still negative. Down 3, 1, 2, 3, right 2. Down 3, right 2. Now I have a line going all the way across my coordinate plane. And draw my line. Put arrows on it. And in a minute I'll go back and write the equation. So how about this one? Oh dear, it's just like this one. It's all out of whack. So I'm going to start by putting the y on the right side. Y equals 1/2 x. Oh well, it was plus, so I've just switched them. Minus 2. My m is 1/2. My b is -2. So I'm going to go down to -2, and that means rise 1, right 1. Rise 1, right 1. Oh, right 2, sorry. Rise 1, right 2. Rise 1, right 2. Up 1, rise 1, run 2. Rise 1, run 2. Connect the points. Fill in a couple more points just to make it a nice straight line. Now that I see where they cross, I can go back and write the original equations on here. So -2 plus 1/2 x equals y. And then this one, I turn it sideways, makes it easier. -3 over 2x plus 2 equals y. And where do they cross? Along the x line, x is 2, y is -1. X is 2, y is -1. So there's my points cross. Right. Independent practice. Now is a very good time to pause the video and just try these 3 problems. I'll wait for you. No, don't sing, Bono. It's a horrible noise. All right. I assumed you paused the video and tried the problems. please do them in pencil so if you make a mistake you can erase it. But if not, well, we do our best. I'm going to start with M is -2 and B is +2. Begin at 2, 1, 2. Put this up here so it's centered more. And I'm going to go rise 2, left 1. So rise 2, left 1. Rise 2, left 1. So M, -2/1. B is +2. So I could also go down 2, right 1. I'm going to go kind of fast now because you could always pause the video and do it slower. Or put me on slow mode. No, don't do that. That'd be silly. Here we go. So for this one, it's the same thing. M, 3/1. B is 2. Look at that. They have the same y-intercept. They both begin at this point too, so I already know where they're going to cross. They're going to cross at that point. So now I rise 3, run 1, and go down 3, left 1, and connect my dots all the way across the coordinate plane. Now that I know where they cross, I can write my equations on my lines. So this is y equals 3x plus 2. And this one is y. I'm going to turn it sideways again. Y equals -2x plus 2. And where they cross is my solution. No x. It doesn't go right or left. It's on the y-intercept. So my point is 0, 2. That's my solution. Next one. Oh dear. It's in the wrong order again. So I'll just do this first one. M equals 2/1. B equals 3. And I start at 3. Rise 2, right 1. Or down 2, left 1. So I get all my lines in a nice straight line. Connect the dots. And I have y equals 2x plus 3. I'm trying to remember where they cross. Oh well. So for this one, I'm just going to put the y on the other side to get y equals 1/2 x. But there's no y-intercept. There's 0 there. There's no y-intercept. I'm going to make my own. Plus 0. So I have m 1/2. B 0. So I start here at 0. Rise 1, right 2. Rise 1, right 2. Up 1, right 2. Oh, look. Down and to the left to get some more points. I see where they're going to cross now. Come on, go no straight lines. Still not that straight, but yeah, I try my best. This is, remember, original equations. 1/2 x equals y. And this one, y equals 2x plus 3. And where they cross, -1, -2, and down 1. So my solution right here, -2, -1. Last one for now. I graph this. M 2/1, B -5. So I start at -5. Oh, down here. Rise 2, run 1. Rise 2, run 1. 2, run 1, all the way across the whole coordinate plane. Connect the dots. And now I have to graph this one, and my m, negative 1/3. Remember, I'm going to rise 1, down 3. Oh, sorry, left 3. Rise 1, left 3. So b equals 2. And I'm going to rise 1, left 3, rise 1, left 3, down 1, right 3, down 1, right 3. Continue my line all the way across, nice and straight. Now that I know where I cross, I can write the equations on the line. Y equals negative 1/3 x plus 2. And y equals 2x minus 5. And where they cross, positive 3, positive 1. X is 3, y is 1. Where did my fake whiteout go? There we go, get rid of that. Looks almost like a 1, there we go. All right, pause before the next lesson.